9 Best French Starters. In this video, we'll cover 9 of the most popular French starters you can find in a restaurant. From appetizers to entrees, we'll cover it all. Remember to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Number 9. Steak Tartare. This easy recipe takes about 15 minutes to prepare and is a wonderful conversation starter at dinner parties. Simply multiply the components by the number of guests. Number 8. Chicken liver pâté. The texture of this French-style starter is deliciously creamy and thick. Served with cornichon, toasted crusty bread slices, and a glass of oak Chardonnay. Number 7. Queen Scallops with Sauternes butter. Little French, an intimate neighborhood restaurant in Bristol serving delectable regional French recipes, has a buttery scallop recipe. Not only are queenies tasty, but their small shells ensure that they are smothered in butter sauce. Request that your fishmonger clean and prepare the scallops in a half shell, including the roes. Number 6. Baked Camembert. Nothing says welcome like molten French cheese accompanied with crunchy olive oil toasts for dipping. Our baked camembert is a delicious sharing appetizer that can be topped with a variety of flavors. For mouthwatering ideas, check out our quick and easy camembert toppers. Number 5. Parmesan and smoked garlic Gougères. Check out these nutty Parmesan and smoked garlic cream-filled soft choux buns. Sapling, an East London restaurant, makes these outstanding buns. If you can't locate smoked garlic, use ordinary garlic. Number 4. Pork Rillettes. This French meal, cooked with pork belly, goose fat, white wine, and thyme, is an excellent dinner party starter or a special lunch. For a vinegary kick to cut through the rich flavors, serve with buttered bread, cornichon, and pickled onions. Number 3. Pork Rillettes. Don't be afraid, with our step-by-step instructions, you can prepare this simple beginning or light meal. These flawless soufflés may be chilled or frozen until they're ready to bake again. Number 2. French onion soup. As far as appetizers go, this meaty onion soup is quite filling. The savory soup is topped with melting cheese melts, making it ideal for a cozy winter get-together. A corny masterpiece that will pique everyone's interest. Number 1. Tapenade. Do you have 10 minutes to spare? Make your own Provençal tapenade instead of buying it from the store. For lunch, spread on toasted bread or put into fowl as a main meal. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.